Good morning, everyone. And today we have a setup in front of us at the moment. AUD, NZD, nice Gartley in front of our eyes. Let me just draw it out for you. We'll label these points off. So we have an anchor down here, point X. All Gartleys have an ABCD structure. So can you see how mechanical this is, having to label, and checks have to be made so this can ratify itself, let's say. So they're the basic points. It's a 5-point mechanical checklist. Now let's draw the ABCD in. This is something that we sent out to our subscribers, by the way, at 47. So we have an ABCD, basically. You saw how I copied that there, and I've just simply, that's it. This is the anchor. I'm just going to change the color to my preferred. So this is the anchor X. This is one of the wings. So it's a really pretty pattern. You can see how price has come in and respected D. D, obviously, the stats here are 60% of the time D holds up. Otherwise, it's a variation of the CD leg. Should I go to the extra length just to label it for completion? Yeah, let's do that. So we'll just get my charts looking the way I like them to look, because trading does make you a little bit OCD-ish the more you look at your charts. So if you notice you've got OCD tendencies, then you'll probably make quite a good trader, because you like things done properly in a certain way. Anyhow, I digress. Let's measure this up now. So I'm going to get my Fibonacci retracement tool, and I'm going to take point X to point A and see where that D point comes in at. So we can see D's come in split between the 78 and the 61.8%. That's fine. What that suggests to me is that we're not going to see a new high, but we'll be looking for a retracement move back up. So I'm going to label this up accordingly. Now I've measured that, I'm going to label it 61.8%. So that's check one. Let's measure the retracement of C, of AB. That to me looks like a 61.8% without measuring, but I believe it could also be a split one. It's a split one. You see the way this pattern's starting to show a bit of behavior. So 61.8%, 61.8%. Let's measure X to A to find out where B comes in. Again, that's coming in between the 50 and the 61.8. So we're going to call that 50%. And then finally, this one has to be a 127. And that's an extension move. And of course, it is a 127, as you can see there. So this is an absolute perfect Gartley pattern. We should see higher prices. Now, in terms of context, the cycle is lower. So this is a counter trend trade. In isolation and as an example to you to see how this stuff works. Now, you see this length B to C. I'm just going to draw another line that matches it, because this is going to be my expected move around the 107.90. So there you have it, folks. Please like and subscribe, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.